welcome to Flipped School. It's where you totally flip out about school. So, we're going to be talking about formulas today, and this is on page 107 of your book, so pay attention. All right, so using formulas. First of all, I'm going to tell you what a formula is. It's an equation that expresses the relationship between related quantities. So, it's kind of like a recipe. We use lots of formulas in math. I love formulas because all I have to do is plug things into the formulas and I come out with an answer. So, one of the formulas the book talks about, it's talking about a diver at the beginning of the chapter, or at the beginning of this section. And it says P stands for pressure, so how much pressure somebody's feeling. PSI is pounds per square inch. H stands for height or depth. So a formula for a diver is P equals 0.433H. The H is the height and the P is the pressure. So if a diver dives, ready, diving down 20 feet, there's going to be additional pressure felt. So the additional pressure is 0.433. Then you plug in the H, which is 20, and that's going to give you 8.66 PSI of additional pressure, and that's pounds per square inch. So here's another formula. In the metric system, instead of PSI, we use newtons per square meter, which is called Pascal, and it's a big P and a little a. So to convert PSI, which is pounds per square inch, to Pascal, it would be Pascals equals 6894x in PSI. So these are some of the formulas we're going to be using in this section. So some of the questions that we'll be doing in class, you'll be using these formulas. I have some more formulas here. Changing temperatures. So we want to change from Fahrenheit, from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So Celsius is metric, Fahrenheit is English. So let's say this is a formula. Fahrenheit equals 9/5 Celsius plus 32. So an example is, let's say Celsius temperature was 35 degrees. Well, to me and you, that might not mean, well, what is that? Is that cold? Is that hot? I have no idea. Well, what do you think? Well, let's find out. Fahrenheit equals 9/5 Celsius, which is 35, plus 32. I crossed out the 35 and the 5 because we know that those can be canceled, and that becomes 7 plus 32, which equals that 9 times 7 is 63. Plus 32 equals 95 degrees. So now we know that 35 degrees Celsius is hot. I wish it was 35 degrees right now because there's no heat on in this house. All right, let's move on. Okay, using formulas. The first thing you want to do is make sure you write the correct formula. Then you're going to put a substitute. You're going to substitute given values for the variables in the formula, like I just substituted in 35 for the C. And then we're going to evaluate the expression. So, we have some equal signs and different signs here. I'm just going to show you each one. Hopefully, you know them. This is equals. This is not equals. This is almost. This is contained in. This is a set of. This is not a set of. This is greater than. This is less than. This is greater than or equal to. And this is less than or equal to. Okay, so here's some other formulas. We've got a rectangle. Well, these two are the length, these two are the width. To get the perimeter is always, people always confuse perimeter and area. Area is the whole inside. Perimeter is along the outside. It's kind of like the fence around the backyard would be your perimeter. Perimeter equals 2 of these plus 2 of these. This is a sentence. Perimeter equals 2 lengths plus 2 widths. That's a rectangle. In a square, all the sides are equal. So the perimeter equals 4 times the side, so 4s. And then in a circle, and I'm not sure if you've learned this or not, but this is a radius. So a circumference equals 2 pi r. 2 times pi, which is 3.14 blah, 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 times the radius. All right. Well, let's look over here. Izzy wrote us a little thing. It says, Flipped School, and that's what we're doing. So I will see you in class, and the keyword is, what should the keyword be? I don't know, basketball hoop? There's the basketball hoop. I'll be asking you, what was the key word in these videos? All right, see you later.